In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your credit or debit card to your Facebook ads account. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can get your payment information set up in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to Facebook Ads Manager. You can find it easily by searching for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Once there, click on Go to Ads Manager. If you're not logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password, then click Log In. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage your ad campaigns. Once you're in, look for the campaigns dashboard. From here, navigate to the billing and payment section. This is where you'll manage all of your payment information related to your Facebook ads. Click on billing and payments and this will take you to a new section with several different options. Next, select payment settings. Here, you'll have the option to manage your payment methods. To add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method. This will open a list of payment options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding a credit or debit card. So go ahead and click on Debit or Credit Card. After selecting this option, click on Next. A form will appear where you'll need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and any other required information. Make sure to double check your entries to avoid any errors that could prevent successful transactions. Once you've entered all of your card details, you're nearly finished. Click on Save to confirm that you want to add this payment method to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your credit or debit card has been successfully added to your payment settings. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have your credit or debit card correctly added to your Facebook ads account, allowing you to manage and run campaigns smoothly. Remember, always keep your payment information secure and up to date to avoid any disruptions in your advertising activities. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult Facebook's support resources for additional assistance. Happy advertising!